Ano yung binild ko kanina nung ano, kalaban ko yung isa? Kalimutan ko na. Kalimutan ko yung kalaban ko yung isa kanina.
All shall be judged, be it human or demon.
Kailangan ko ng... Hindi na ako nalungkot. Boss!
Overbearing clerics, be ready for my fury.
Legit. Oy, Benji Navarro, salamat sa pag-share ng stream ko.
For the law.
Gogi ko. Yari, boss. Para tayong ano. Boss, ah. Kaya ako na pala mag-click kill. Kahit ito tayo.
The strongest.
Makakablit armor. Punat ng blade armor ko.
Some may fear death, but that would be me.
Punat ng blade armor ni Idolords. Bangkay mode
The
on na. Wag
world
muna.
born
Maaga pa
in
para
darkness will end in darkness.
Sakit daw, Idol. Sakit na. Sakit ng kalaban natin.
Never say her name.
Try pa natin ng ano. Isa pa.
Rafaela.
What do you think?
If it wasn't me, I'm afraid it would be Rafaela.
Ito last build natin. Tingin ko gagana naman to. Let's try. Pusang galang niya ng punat ng putik. Parang naka-cheat pre. Parang naka-cheat si Tamos guys. Sobrang punat.
Foolish beings.
Awit na yan. Grabing kunat yun boss ah.
All shall be judged, be it human or demon.
Parang naka-cheat yung kalaban guys. No? Parang kunat.
Only the strongest shall survive.
Parang di na gana yung ano natin. Balipik roar natin sa kalaban. No?
Some may fear death, but that wouldn't be me.
Sometimes
Don't ever say her name. The name, Rafaela.
Time
I am the only judge of myself.
1955. 1955 boss. Okay, Argus versus Tamus. Let's go.
Fury continues.
Grabe. Grabe yung kalaban. Napakakunat naman ni Bossing guys. May tatalab yung ano natin Bossing boss. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Try natin tong ano. Inis ako. Hindi tayo tumatalab. Ang kunat ni Tamos. Putik na yan. Damon niya si Tamos. Guys, ang kunat. Si AJ Asis, salamat, salamat. Grabe naman tong ano natin guys. Sobrang...
Bloodshed and violence nourish
Parang
me.
ano na yung pagkatalo guys. Huwag tayo ng pagkatalo ngayon guys.
Me, I'm afraid it would be Rafaela.
Trinity build na tayo. Winchant, hindi gumagana kay Tamos ang Winchant boss.
The world
Papatayin ka ng true damage.
will end in darkness.
Try natin ang Trinity Field.
There goes my
Hindi
mercy.
gumana to GG. GGS boss. Unat ng kalaban, parang bakal.
My once beautiful heart is burning with fury.
Tingin niya natin boss.
Show yourselves, you foolish beings.
Kaso ang daming minions eh. Susubukan ko sana eh. Takting mga minions na napakadami.
The shadow in my heart is
Alang iya! Wow! Takti na yan!
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Tayo pa'y namatay! Ang galing naman. Nice G. Wala, puro talo tayo ngayon. Ano nangyayari? Nakatatlong talo ako ngayon guys. For the first time of Mobile Legends Bang 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 Universe. Seriously? Tatlong talo sa isang araw. Parang napaka-imposible mangyari to, no? Parang first time mangyari sa akin na matalo ng 3 beses sa isang araw. Kakaiba. Nice G, lakas magtamos ah. Idol mo talaga ako, no? Ay, grabe! Sabi ko na! Mag-RG muna ako, guys. Pansin ko, puro talo ako. Kukuha lang ng tubig saglit, ah. I will get some water. I'm thirsty, eh. Wait lang, guys, ah. I said who you are. Laro muna ako. Ah! Rix, bukas na lang tayo mag 1v1 Rix. Pagod na yung daliri ko. Wala ako sa mood mag 1v1 ngayon. Puro talo. Execute me. Execute me. Execute me. Wait mo lang, Saka. Sabi na kayo ni Ryan Martinez bukas. O kaya, baka next day. 71 win rate na lang ako. Pusang galang yan. Gusto nyo guys, ang sarap papakain nito. Seaweed. Hello, Kiss Kube. What up, bird?
Your team is banning.
Soy-soy ka pala. Ikaw pala si Soy-soy. Kumusta na, bird? Wow. Ba't nag-wow?
Please ban a hero.
Binan hero niya. Kasi binan yung hero niya. Iyak tuloy sa boss. May hayabusa ba?
Your team is picking.
Masarap kumain nyo to guys. Masarap papakin. Seaweed. Ay, Kenneth. Puro talo ako. Ano muna ako, Arati muna ako.
It is in despair that I see
The
the
enemy is
fondest
picking.
hopes.
Alpha kuya, pakitaan mo kami. Alpha? Alpha sa RG. Gagana ba yung build ko sa RG? Alpha. Pero subukan natin. Try natin mag ano. Alpha.
I am
I didn't
more
cure
than
Ay, di ata
a
pwede, boss.
weapon.
Your
I
team
harness
is picking.
Na-open pala yung ano, no?
Even the strongest of currents fail to claim me.
Wala. John Rick Dumdum. What up, Bert? Ay, si Kent Dumdum pala, Kent Dumdum. Alimutan ko si Kent Dumdum, Bert.
Love outshines the golden
The
crown.
enemy is picking.
Ulan po dito sa Legazpi.
I see lots of
Kent
prey.
Dumdum, laro tayo. Bukas na natin mag 1v1 Kent Dumdum, ha?
The fallen
Kasi ano?
stars brought us here.
Please pick a hero.
Tawag dito. Napagod ako mag 1v1. Gagin, sakit ng kalaban, boss. Hindi muna nata ako.
The hunt begins.
Unpunished.
The enemy is picking.
Live ito, Simon. Paano makuha ang General Kai? Sa ano yon, Lods? Sa Kung Fu Panda, ano? Event. Mag-spin ka ng ano, 10 times, makakuha mo na siya agad. 10 times spin. 10 times spin tapos. Eh, Dumdum, at na muna kita ha. Bukas tayo maglalaro. Hindi naman daw mag 1v1 eh. Bukas tayo talo. Wala ata sa mood yun maglaro. Pansin ko lang. Ang dami nating error eh. Salamat, Jimson. Thank you. So, Ruby muna tayo guys. Now, Ruby for today's video. Kala ko si Slayer tong kalaban. Explain tong Julian.
Welcome to Mobile
Para
Legends.
kapalaban tayo dito, boss.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
Babayaan mo pa bang Ano oras po? Pag nag-live ako, sabihan mo lang ako para first game tayo. Janry Agsam, what up
Are you
first?
shivering?
Lakas naman ni Santino. Tinalo tayo ni Santino, guys. Awit doon.
Taking a lap. Initiate retreat.
Wala ba natin?
Understood.
Wala.
I wash my hook with blood.
Nang tinapay.
A beast or a man? I should change my skin of wolf.
Good luck, idol. Salamat, Janrel. Wow, grabe.
First blood.
Grabe.
The
Boss.
wolf is coming. Launch attack. I love. Ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Initiate retreat.
Utang gala naman talaga. Oo. Rotation, depende sa hero.
Battle spell in cooldown.
Hindi tayo dito. That makapag level 4 na agad tayo sana para
Battle
Yes,
spell
Nemo.
in cooldown.
nice, beauty na lang.
Slain.
So, level 4.
Gather up the turtle.
An ally has slain the turtle. Ally has been slain. I should change my skin of wolf.
Tanggal, ang bilis naman niya maglakad. Klaseng hero yan.
I wash my
Cheater.
hook with blood.
Launch attack. We're ahead and go.
Battle spell and spell. A beast or a man?
Cheater, malala. Cheater ng kalaban.
I love the feeling of chasing prey.
Napaka-cheater ng kalaban.
An enemy has been slain.
Taking a life.
An enemy has been slain. Launch attack.
The wolf is coming.
Initiate retreat. Launch attack.
One.
Ult is not ready.
I wash my hook with blood.
Roy. Roy.
Initiate retreat. Request back.
Usang kala naman!
Wolf is
Saan po makikita ang
vanishing.
Coco Panda event? Wala pa?
Well, ult is not ready.
Ano, mga late dalaw palagi itong mga to. Patay kayo.
Has been slain.
A beast or a man?
Initiate retreat. Killing spree. Double kill.
Nadalaw sila pag patay na ako. Ba't kayo ganyan palagi?
Request backup. Gather up the turtle.
Huwag kang nagkiklear dyan. Usang kala ka.
Request backup.
I love the feeling of chasing prey.
Ult is not ready. An ally has slain the turtle. Ult is not ready.
Taking a life.
Ult is not ready. Ult is not ready.
Are you shivering?
Launch attack. Your team destroyed a turret. An enemy has been slain. Launch attack. Unstoppable.
Lahat ng audit.
The wolf is coming.
Ult is not ready. You have slain an enemy.
Anis. Dinanis si Ivolord.
Ult is not
I
ready.
should change my skin of wolf.
Kailangan ko na mag-Athena
Ult is
shield.
not ready.
Kahit ng combo
I
yan.
love the feeling of chasing prey.
Your team destroyed a turret. Launch attack.
I wash my hook with blood.
Initiate retreat.
The wolf is coming.
The wolf is coming.
Well played. Monster kill. Your team destroyed a turret. Your team destroyed a turret.
Ah!
Well played.
Isang gala. Yun lang.
Is vanishing.
Attack the turtle. An ally has slain the turtle.
Malala.
Launch attack. An enemy has been slain.
Patay. Nalubong din ng pato. Try niyo po mag...
I should change my skin of wolf.
Launch attack. Yes. Initiate retreat.
Push.
slain. Ult is not ready.
Need to push, bro. Gagi ka.
Initiate retreat.
Has been slain.
Good game. Initiate retreat.
Are you shivering?
Killing spree. Initiate retreat.
I wash my head with blood.
Launch attack.
Are you shivering?
Are you shivering?
Launch attack. We're ahead in goal. Team destroy the turret.
Hey, wala man lang Bible.
Request backup.
Hey. Kasipag muna mag-live up sa. Siyempre.
The wolf is coming.
Kasipag talaga ako
Gather
mag-live.
up the Lord.
Pro player kasi ako eh. Pro player kasi ako eh.
Taking a life.
Ally has been slain.
An enemy has been slain.
Retry na ah.
Initiate retreat.
Gogi ka!
Has slain more.
Paano mo nagawa yun, boss?
It's vanishing.
Hook fly care nga, Paps. Ano yun? Hook fly care. Ano yun?
We're ahead in goal.
Anong hook fly care? 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 4090 Lavabaji.
Shut down.
Bad trip.
I should change my skin of wolf.
Boss. Palo tong kalaban, boss. Pasukan na nila bukas. Wala na. GG. Pasukan nyo na mga boss. Sana ako ng mga tutulog.
An enemy has been slain. Killing
Boss.
spree.
Are you
Request
shivering?
backup.
A beast or a man?
An enemy has been slain. Destroy the turret. Our turret has been destroyed.
I should change my skin
An
of
enemy
wolf.
has been slain. Ally has been slain.
Nakakain ka na, Paps. Diet ako, Paps. Hindi diet ako.
Taking a life. I love the feeling of chasing prey. I wash my hook with blood.
Hindi ko
Launch
na
an
manonood
attack.
ang aling live dahil sa pasukan. Hindi ko na
Wait.
manonood ang aling...
The wolf is
Okay lang yan.
coming.
That's nice.
Taking a life.
Huwag ka na kasi kumain ng
I
Bini Burger.
love
Kaya
the
nga yung
feeling
Bini
of
Burger kasi
chasing prey.
nagpapataba sa akin.
Launch attack. Well played. Launch attack.
Tinaman oh!
Power of wolf is vanishing.
1-5 na ako, boy! Hindi kasi ako nag-iingat eh. Gagi ka. Nakakainis galawan ko ngayon. Nakakapag-trip. Parang gusto ko mag-cut para manood.
Ally has been slain.
Yan ang wag mong gagawin. Oy, Jemar, salamat sa pag-heart react, boss. Thank you po.
Are you shivering?
Salamat po sa pag-heart react, bossing. Thank you, I love you.
An ally has slain Lord.
Nakakainis naman ngayon.
I
Ang
wash
malas
my
naman
hope with
natin.
blood.
Ang malas ko na nga sa 1v1. Malas pa rin ako sa RG. What the frick is going on, boss?
Our turret is under attack.
A feast or a meal?
Lahat na lang.
An enemy has been slain.
Bigyan nyo naman ako ng kill. Kawawa naman ako dito. Bossing! Kumusta ang buhay?
Change my stomach for
Ah!
Killing spree.
Kakainis, ano pa yung stun na yun?
Attack. Good game.
Abwisit! Jory Chaiban, salamat sa pag-heart react ng stream. Jiro Reyes, salamat sa pag-heart react. Ano ba
Your
klase
team
yun?
destroyed a turret. Attack.
Paano na-stun doon? Ano naman yun? Kakainis naman ang ulo ko.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Malas-malas ko naman ngayon.
Has been slain. Attack. Team destroyed a turret.
Dahil.
Double kill. Double kill. Attack.
Ano rank mo pala, idol? Hindi ko alam kung ano rank ko ngayon. Tapos start to start up. Kakainis! Bad trip.
Victory.
Runwall Chu Reyes, salamat sa pag-heart react. 39 star pala ako. Ayaw mo yan, panalo. Panalo nga, tanso naman ako. May panalo pa lang natatanso, no? Ngayon ko lang na-realize yun, guys. Actually, sinubukan ko lang talaga kung may natatansong panalo. So, nasubukan ko na. Ako yun. Natry ko ng matanso ng panalo. Pwede pala mangyari yun, guys, no? Usang gala. Amazing. Amazing! Ayaw mag-classic. Pang BB lang yung classic ko. Puro RD kasi ako. Mga maihinang nila lang yung mga nasa classic ko. Mga weak links lang yung mga nasa classic. Pro player kasi ako, bossing, eh, kaya hindi ako nagka-classic. JL Langisawi, salamat sa pag-like ng stream, boss. Thank you po, bossing. Tagal lang fine match. Pabibi ang po. Yun! Wala, yabang. Hindi I'm just telling the truth. Excuse me. Huwag kayo nangingialam ng explain, pre. Akin yan. Mayabang ka na, Pops. Hindi ako mayabang, Pops.
Please ban a hero.
Humbled ako. Whoa! Corina, Corina. Mukha ka na, Corina.
Your team is banned.
2v1 tayo. Pwede naman, pwede tayo mag 2v1, boss, kung gusto mo. Oh, 5v1 pa gusto nyo eh. Oh! I'll do it by myself. I'll do it by myself. I'll do it by myself.
Please pick a hero.
I'll do it by myself. I'll do it by myself. Yeah.
A punch for a
The
punch.
enemy is picking.
Mag-a-adjust muna ako. Mabait po kasi ako, guys. Mabait po akong player. Nag-a-adjust po ako, guys. Kung ano yung available, guys, dun ako. Pwede ako mag-gold lane, boss. Bukas, Ken Dumdum. Bukas.
Sniper ready. Give me a target.
Wah!
Your team is picking.
Sniper ready, give me your target.
No one can take you from me.
Ano yun? Sasalita.
Let them play the hero.
Ha?
I will be the truth this world desperately needs.
Anong pick yan?
Gaze the stars and seek
The enemy
your
is
path.
picking.
Kaya mo, boss.
Demons shall bathe in their blood.
Please pick a
The
hero.
light belongs to the righteous.
Gagamitin ko. Pag nag-brody ako dito, baka matalo.
Ready? Go!
Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
The fire of battle never
enemy is
extinguishes.
Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Legend po ako. Legend ako, bakit? Legend ako, bakit? Legend ako, boss. Bakit?
It is in despair
Anong masama sa
that I
pagiging
see
legend,
the
boss?
fondest hopes.
Tignan mo, taas ng win rate ko. Oh. Papanisin ko pa kayo eh. Wala nga, akala ko may epic eh. Opo, epic ako. Dami kong skin, no? Started. Anong masama sa pagiging legend, boss? Sa'yo. Easy win to, boss. Easy win. Nakita nyo na ba ako mag-Layla? Oy, Nelmar! Salamat sa pag-heart react, Nelmar. Thank you po, boss. Thank you po. Dahil sa'yo, marunong na ako magtapos. Ayaw nila sa Layla ko, guys. Umay. Dapat gusto nyo sa Layla ko, guys. Huwag yung tinatakwil yung Layla ko, boss. Tinatawag tayong epic. Porket nag-pick ako ng Layla.
Welcome to Mobile Legends.
Easy wines.
5 seconds till
Oh,
the enemy
easy
reaches the
wine.
battlefield. Smash
Epic
them.
po ako.
All true.
Oy! 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 Oy!
My
Easy
gun
wines.
only
Epic
aims
po
at
ako.
bad guys.
Hey! No way. Hey! No way. Easy wines. Epic po ako. Hey! Hey! Did you sabi ni Lawrence? Hindi ko siya mabasa. As you can see, guys, walang kalaban. Pag ganyan, guys, sige, ingat po kayo.
Unstable network.
Ingat po kayo. Bang!
Iiyak.
Iiyak na yan. Iiyak na yan si Bossing. Iiyak na si
I'll
Bossing.
bring you to justice. You can always find your own path to becoming a hero.
Iiyak na si Bossing. Loylo Gods. Loylo Gods ako, boss.
Bullseye.
Ako
We
po ang
can do it.
pinakamalupit maglayla sa buong kalawakan, mga Bossing. Boss, ay no way po, boss. Ay no way. Hindi po ako
Keep
lalaban.
it up until you're as brilliant as me. Bullseye.
Come, 5v1. Whoa!
He's gonna save someone